If you'd like to place a phone call from the dial pad, pick up the handset, enter a 10-digit phone number, and press the checkmark key. When you're ready to end the call, either place the handset back onto the cradle or press the X key. Please note, there is no need to select 1 or 9 before dialing the 10-digit phone number. To place a phone call from the directory, select the directory soft key. From here, you can search for a contact by using the up or down buttons to scroll through the list, or search for a contact by spelling at least the first 3 characters of a name to show results. Once you've selected the correct contact, you can press the middle navigation or check mark to place the call. Additionally, you have the option to place a phone call using the speakerphone. Dial the phone number on the dial pad from the directory. Once the call is placed, the speakerphone key will turn green if the handset has not been raised.